Many studies have shown low-carb lifestyles to result in more weight loss as compared to the standard low-fat diet plan. The strictest low-carb plans, like the ketogenic diet, limit carb intake to non-starchy vegetables, some dairy, and nuts. Starch and sugar carbohydrates are substituted with non-starchy vegetables, healthy fats, and a moderate protein intake. Sugar, pastries, pasta, bread, cereal, beans, or any other starches are not allowed, and instead you eat non-starchy vegetables, butter, fatty fish, oils, and some dairy. You also get to enjoy eggs, steak, bacon, chicken, seafood, and other proteins. The ketogenic diet triggers a metabolic process called ketosis, where the body no longer gets its energy from the glucose that dietary carbs produce inside the body, but instead begins to burn fat for energy, which is a very efficient way to burn fat stores and lose weight. The ketogenic diet triggers a metabolic process called ketosis, where the body no longer gets its energy from the glucose that dietary carbs produce inside the body, but instead begins to burn fat for energy, which is a very efficient way to burn fat stores and lose weight. People who have gone on a low-carb diet typically lose quite a bit of weight in the first 2 weeks, as the water that's tied to glycogen comes off the body. Starch and sugar carbs are insulin triggers that cause blood sugar spikes that lead to weight gain. While on a low-carb diet, these insulin triggers are eliminated so the body can burn fat instead of storing it. Protein helps keep you full and satisfied, so you naturally eat less. It also helps to increase lean muscle mass that promotes fat burning. A low-carb diet naturally regulates the appetite because all of those insulin trigger foods that wreak havoc in the bloodstream to cause erratic hunger and out-of-control cravings are eliminated. Researchers from St. Louis in Japan also found that the hunger-regulating hormone leptin is positively affected by the low-carb diet's ability to reduce triglyceride levels in the body, which allows leptin to work much more effectively in regulating the appetite. When people embark on a low-carb diet, their appetite significantly drops, and they naturally feel more satisfied with less food, resulting in an additional weight loss boost as they naturally eat less calories and without suffering in starvation. And best of all, you get to eat real food. Meats, fish, chicken, bacon, eggs, healthy fats, vegetables. There are hundreds of terrific low-carb recipes to fill your menus. Low-carb diets are not fads, but lifestyles that have helped thousands of people reverse obesity and improve their health. It may just do the same for you. Stay well and take care.